Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car applicator pads that are available on the market for their true quality. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Microfiber Wax Applicator Pads by Phonorole. These pads combine premium microfiber with a built-in sponge, offering excellent absorbency and elasticity. This makes them perfect for applying waxes, polishes, protectants, and dressings. One standout feature is the tightly stitched edges, which reduce the risk of the pad coming apart during use, while also minimizing the chance of scratches on your car's surface. Design-wise, these 5-inch pads are flexible, lightweight, and easy to hold, making them user-friendly even for beginners. They're also reusable and machine washable, giving you excellent value for money. However, one drawback is that they lack a finger pocket, which could make precise application a bit challenging for more detailed work. Nonetheless, these pads are versatile and can be used for both interior and exterior cleaning, as well as for tasks like dusting and pet hair removal. Overall, the Phonorole Microfiber Wax Applicator Pads are a decent option for anyone looking for durable and multifunctional applicators. While they may not have all the bells and whistles of higher-end products, their affordability and versatility make them worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is another offering from Phonorole, their Microfiber Wax Applicator Pads with Finger Pocket. These pads share a similar microfiber and sponge construction with the first Phonorole product, providing high absorbency and elasticity. However, the addition of a finger pocket elevates the user experience, offering better grip and control during application. This makes it easier to tackle intricate areas or precise detailing tasks. The design is both functional and durable, thanks to tightly stitched edges that prevent disassembly and reduce friction. These pads are highly versatile, suitable for waxing, polishing, and cleaning tasks, both inside and outside the car. They're also reusable and machine washable, which adds to their practicality. That said, the pads come in a pack of 6, but their durability might not match some of the more premium competitors on this list. If you're looking for an applicator pad that offers added control with its finger pocket and can handle a variety of tasks, this Phonorole product is a solid choice. While it doesn't outperform higher-ranked options in terms of build quality, it's a great mid-tier option for car enthusiasts. Our number 3 pick is the HomeXL Microfiber Applicator Pads. These pads are made from soft microfiber material that is gentle on your car's paint and interior surfaces, ensuring a scratch-free cleaning experience. Their excellent absorbency helps remove dirt and water stains efficiently, leaving no water spots behind. This makes them ideal not only for waxing and polishing, but also for general cleaning tasks. These pads are lightweight, comfortable to use, and come in a pack of 8, offering great value for larger cleaning projects. They're also machine washable and reusable, which is a big plus for eco-conscious buyers. However, one unique aspect to note is that these pads are vacuum-packed for shipping, and they take a little time to regain their original shape after opening. While this doesn't affect performance, it's worth mentioning. Overall, the HomeXL Microfiber Applicator Pads are an excellent choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly, versatile, and durable applicator pad set. They're perfect for tackling a wide range of automotive cleaning tasks while maintaining your car's pristine finish. In the runner-up spot, we have the IDEA Microfiber Applicator Pads. These pads are crafted from premium microfiber, known for its exceptional softness and absorbency. This ensures a gentle application without the risk of scratching or damaging your car's surface. What sets these pads apart is their ability to distribute waxes, sealants, and conditioners evenly, leaving behind a smooth and professional finish. Each pad features a soft foam core that makes them easy to grip and maneuver, even for longer detailing sessions. Coming in a pack of 8, these pads offer excellent value and are durable enough for long-term use. They're also machine washable and reusable, which reduces waste and makes them a practical choice for regular car maintenance. However, While they excel at product distribution and ease of use, they might not be as durable as some of the tighter cell foam options available. If you're looking for applicator pads that combine affordability, versatility, and a smooth application, the IDEA microfiber applicator pads are a fantastic option. They're ideal for both professionals and DIY car enthusiasts who want to achieve a showroom quality finish. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is Meguiar's 4-inch foam applicator pads. These pads are the gold standard in car detailing, thanks to their ultra-soft, tight cell foam construction. This material ensures a smooth and even application of a wide range of products, including waxes, polishes, tire dressings, and protectants. The pads are designed for multi-surface use, making them perfect for everything from paint finishes to leather, vinyl, and rubber surfaces. The build quality is exceptional, with each pad offering consistent performance and long-lasting durability. While the pack only includes 4 pads, their quality and performance more than justify the price. They're lightweight, easy to handle, and deliver professional-level results, making them a favorite among both hobbyists and seasoned detailers. However, the lack of a finger pocket might be a minor drawback for users who prefer added grip. In summary, Meguiar's foam applicator pads are the ultimate choice for anyone serious about car care. With their premium construction, excellent versatility, and flawless application, they deliver unbeatable value at just $9.46. These pads truly earn their place as the best car applicator pads on the market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.